Good morning, students. Now here we are going to start new chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Now earlier we have studied in chapter number 2 the algebraic expression in one variable, that polynomial we have studied in one variable x, and also solve its zeros and also find the relation between zeros and coefficients, that we have also factorized that all algebraic expression. Now about the linear equation in two variable, here we are going to discuss about equations. Now if we put between two any terms, if we put any sign between two any terms, then it becomes a linear equation. So now we are going to discuss the linear equation in two variable in this part. So first let me recall some memories from the chapter number 2. Now we are going to discuss the linear equation. What is a linear equation that we want to know? In chapter number 2 we have already studied the algebraic expression in a one variable. Now we are going to discuss linear equation here. So let us first recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equation as we given here: 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here you can see that two terms, 2x plus 5 and 0. Then we put equals, the sign of equal between both the term, then it becomes a equation. It becomes a equation. So this type of equation is known as linear. Why it is known as linear? As you know that the variable included in this equation has exponent 1 or degree 1. As you can see here, x has a exponent 1. So this type of equation known as a linear equation that we have already studied. Now we also learned that how can we find the zeros of this linear equation. As we know that the general or standard form of linear equation is given by ax plus b is equal to 0. It is a standard form of linear equation in one variable. What is standard form of linear equation in one variable, where a and b belongs to R, means the value of a and b is real. The value of a and b is real, and we know that x is variable. We know that x is a variable. So if you want to find the zero of or the root of given linear equation, that we know that the value of x, that we want to find the value of x means its root. So we know that directly, so that ax is equal to, let me move b in RHS, then we get minus b, and hence x is equal to minus b by a. So the root or the zero of this linear equation can be given by minus b by a. If any equation given in this form, linear equation in one variable, here you can see that x is only one variable in this equation. So this type of equation known as linear equation in one variable, and this type of equation known as a linear equation. So if we want to find the zero of this linear equation, then we can say that its zero or root is x is equal to minus b by a. For example, there is given 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then directly, as we know that it is a and it is b. So the root of the equation minus b by a, which is equal to minus b, means minus 3, b is 3 divided by a, that is 5. So it is a root of the given linear equation 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. By this way we can find, or we have solved some examples in chapter number 2. Now we are going to discuss linear equation in two variables. It was example of linear equation in one variable. So here we are going to discuss the linear equation in two variables. So it is denoted by this 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in one variable, that is x. Its solution, that is the root of the equation, is minus 5 by 2. How? That you know. This can be represented on the number line as shown below. Now we draw a number line that shows the position of point. So we draw the number line. So we know that it is a minus. The root of given equation is minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 3.5. 5 by 2 means कितना होगा 2.5. 5 by 2 means कितना होता है 2.5. So minus 2.5, it belongs to, or it placed between 2 and 3. So if we draw the if we represent this point on number line x, then we get here, as we know that minus 5 by 2 is between minus 2 and minus 3. So it is a solution of given linear equation, or it represents the number line. So now just by this way we can find the solution of linear equation in one variable. Now what is about the linear equation in two variables that we are going to solve here? Let us now consider the following situation. In a one-day international cricket match, between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Express this information in the form of equation. Now here in this problem, that is given that two Indian batsmen scored 176 runs, means sum of one batsman plus sum of two batsmen of score is given 176. But here we don't know how many runs scored by one person. So we have to assume some variable. As we know that if there is not given any value, then we always assume some variable, some alphabetic terms to solve such type of situation. Now here there are two batsmen. So we have to assume two variables to solve this example. So we assume, let x be the runs of first batsman, and y be the runs of second batsman. So here we have assumed that x be the runs of first batsman and y be the runs of second batsman, and also given that the number of means the total run is given by 176. So here you can see that the score of neither of them is no one, means in this problem for the batsman there is not given separate runs, that is there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. So the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x and the number of runs scored by other is y. We know that now the sum of x plus y is equal to कितना है 176. So we can denote the problem in algebraic representation as you can see here. X plus y is equal to 176 means the sum of scored of batsman is 176. So x plus y is equal to 176. X is a number of runs scored by first batsman, one batsman, and a y is scored by another one, and sum of both scored is 176, which is the required equation. So here in this equation you can see that it is a linear equation. Why? As you know that the power of x is 1 and power of y is 1, means both variable have exponent as 1. So it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation, and also you can see here it is in two variable. There is given two variable x and y. We don't know the value of x and y, so it is known as variable. So x and y, there are two variables in this equation. So this equation known as linear equation in two variables. What? Linear equation in two variables. So which is the required equation, and it is a algebraic representation of the given problem. So this is an example of linear equation in two variables. It is customary to denote the variables in such equation by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Means jo there are other alphabets a b c d up to x y z, that we can use any one of them. Some examples of linear equation in two variables are, now let we denote or let we represent some other linear equation in two variable as given here. You can see that 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5, p plus 4q is equal to 7, pi u plus 5v is equal to 9, and 3 is equal to square root 2x minus 7y. Here you can see that s and t are variable, p and q are variable, u and v are variable. So here given that these all equation are in two variable, and each of the equation is linear equation. So we can also write this equation in standard form, as you can see here. Now note that you can put this equation in the form, you can put this equation in the form 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equal to 0, and also you can write it p plus 4q minus 7 what we do, 7 we remove on RHS, then we can find p plus 4q minus 7 is equal to 0, pi u plus 5v minus 9 is equal to 0, square root 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0 respectively. So which we can write in such a form this given equation. So let me want to write the standard form of this linear equation in two variable, then we can find. So any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, not this equation, it is a linear equation in two variables. Remember that it is a linear standard form of linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, that its value belongs to the real number set, and also a and b are not both 0, means the value of a and b are not both 0 at a time, means if a is 0 then b must not be 0, if b is 0 then a must not be 0. So that it is a condition that a, b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. It is known as a linear equation in two variables. This means that you can think of many such equation. You can also derive some equation by yourself. So it is known as linear equation in two variable, and it is a standard form of linear equation. Now we are going to solve some basic math problems of this linear equation, or comparing some equation with this standard form, and we find the coefficient of given in this equation. Here you can see that the coefficient of x variable is a and the coefficient of y variable is b. So we want to find the coefficient of given examples by comparing with its standard form. So let we solve that. Example number 1, write each of the following equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Now here given some example and we put it in the form ax plus by plus c. So let me do that solution. Let me take first example. Now we are given 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37 can be written as, we move all the values from RHS in LHS. So 2x plus 3y, it is already in this form. So just we have to move 4.37 in LHS. So we get minus. Here it is positive. So if we move it in LHS, then we get minus 4.37 is equal to 0. And you can see that it is the form as given here. So here now we compare this form, compare this equation with the standard form, then we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4.37. So by this way we can write it in a standard form as given here, and then we can compare the coefficient of both the equation, then we can find the coefficient a, b and c. Now about next one, then we also can write the equation x minus 4 is equal to square root 3y can be written as x, we write in standard form x then y square root 3y, move in LHS, then we get minus square root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now comparing this with standard form, then we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 4. Always remember, we always write, if you want to compare the coefficient or we want to find the coefficient of linear equation, so we have to write it in a standard form as given here. Then we can compare both the equation and can find the coefficient of given equation. Now let other example, as you can also can solve by yourself. Third example, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y can be written as given here. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1, and also you can write it by this way, or also you can find in this case a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. But both the values is required. So now by this way we can get the standard form of given linear equation and also can find the values of given real numbers. Now next example, example number as you can also solve this equation of type ax plus b is equal to 0 are also example of linear equation in two variables. How? It is also example of linear equation in two variables. How can you say that? Because they can be expressed as, here you can see that ax plus 0y plus b is equal to 0. We can find the coefficient of y is 0. So we can write this equation in the form ax plus 0y plus b is equal to 0. So it is also a form of linear equation two variable. So here 4 minus 3x is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variable because it can be written as minus 3x plus 0y plus 4 is equal to 0. So also remember that we can write if there is given one more example, y is equal to 4. It is also a linear equation in two variable because we can write it as 0x plus y plus 4 is equal minus y is equal to 0. So here you can see that it is a linear equation in two variable. So you can write y is equal to 4 is also a linear equation in two variables. You can also find x is equal to 0. It is also a linear equation in two variables. So let move on. Example number 2. Write each of the following as an equation in two variables. We just want to write it in equation in two variables. So let, as here given, as we have understand here, solution first, x is equal to minus 5 can be written as 1.x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 5, and or 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Both equation are same. So here it is a linear equation in two variable that we can write. Next about, we can also write it as, here you can see that example 3, it also can be write as here, and 4 it also can be write as given here. So these all are equation in the standard form of linear equation in two variables. So you can solve some example from exercise number 4.1. Example number 1 and 2 are similar to given problems. Solve it by yourself, and if there is doubt, then you can call me and we discuss about it and we get the solution.